Hello everyone, welcome to Crack SAP new video. I hope everyone is doing good. Last many videos I have uploaded in my Crack SAP channel how to create a balanced GL account. So what are the fields is mandatory and where do you have to input and what is the explanation. First FS00 here. Just go to FS00. So which is already we have created many groups of accounts here. So need to create a books of account. So let me go with the one liquidity fund here. So I'll take it this one, and now I'm going with the create a one ledger. So 100, suppose if I go with the 4 number and hit enter, now this is the GL account which I'm taking, and this is a balance sheet account. So be aware, this is the balance sheet. You can, this is an SAP standard options. You need to be select here. So balance sheet account. So select here for the what exactly you need, which group of account you want to select here. So I'll take it for the liquidity and fund management. This is identified this number range. So for demonstration, I have make it all in JET, but you have to make this a fix. OB D4 is that a key code for group GL accounts needs to be assigned number range. So my chart of account is here. Now this is my chart of account. This is an FNRs, but I have put it a JET. Don't put it a JET because of this for the demonstration. I have make it, but you need to be in the client actual number range which you need to be maintained from to here. So be remember before creating any GL accounts needs to be checked what is in the data account where the account groups have been created here. So on that basis you need to be create the GL account. Now I am going with the cash account, cash in hand with the factory 1 or cash in hand with the factory 1 here. Just hitting enter. This is the control. So account currency INR, balance currency if you required. You only see the balance required. Just you can click here. It's an not a mandatory. It can be a optional. This is a sorting key. Where do you can check it with the 003 posting date, document date or posting date, whatever you want. Now I'll go with the create a bank and interest. So here it is, you need to check that is an 001 as a general. This is giving me error. So fill out the required field because of this relevant cash is required here as a cash. So now the same thing, if you are opening the bank account, you need to be select if you require, you can select your house bank which was created and bank ID in the field here. Just hit the enter. Now there is no error. I can go ahead with the save. Okay, group account I have missed it here because of it is a mandatory field here. It is a put it. Now I'll select here. It's a mandatory for me. I have put it, but as far as your requirement, if you make it a mandatory, you can. Otherwise, this is an optional for if you want to. That has to be in the pick in the layout screen. Just I'm going to save here. No error. Okay, it has been saved, and this is a factory one has been displayed here. Check here. This is all our existing. Further, I'm going with a new video coming with the expenses, how to create expenses GL account, income and expenses GL account, and what is the cost element in the S4HANA, and what is the difference between ECC and S4HANA. I'll explain you in the next video. So coming with very soon. Thank you. Subscribe, like it, and press the bell button. Thank you so much.